Hello, this is Scott Such, and this is my video for the Wiki. Um, the resource I found was this Gabby's Perfect Pizza Pie Palace lesson. Um, it is nice because it includes reference to the standards. So it's a lesson about understanding fractions and using both video, and then also there's a worksheet that the students fill out um, simultaneously or during a pause in the video. So it makes it nice because not only is there a video that has some age appropriate comedy in it a little bit, and also it's kind of real life because it puts the student in the place of, hey, you need to help these guys out here, these two kids. You need to help them in fulfilling an order that came in on the phone for a pizza. So I think it engages the learner that way because, like I just said, it's realistic and it puts you in the role of doing something, and you have to perform, and there's a purpose to it. So here is the teacher's supporting information, walks you through everything, um, tells you when to press play, when to press pause. Um, the only thing that's weak in this, I would say, is that there's no assessment per se. There is this, you would get some formative assessment from this document here, um, because they're being asked to do things. This matches what they're watching on the video, and then they would, on this piece of paper, they're going to make these divisions. So as you can see, the instructions are also here. They're in the video both verbally and visually, which is nice, with it's kind of modeling of exactly what it is you're looking at and how you're doing this too. So they get multiple chances to kind of see it the way it's the expectation of how it's supposed to be, um, and then they actually do it. There's even an opportunity for some extension with this lesson, because after they divide these pizzas, um, they need to obviously they need to cut it into eighths. So they would do that with the lines, but then you can have them cut this actually up with scissors, and then you could have them recreate different pizzas with the slices they have that have the toppings on them, and you kind of extend it that way. Or you could even extend it further and blow it out onto maybe paper plates or something, and do some more with it that way. Um, for me, what I also think is missing in this lesson was there was nothing, there wasn't really any partner work or any communication going on. So I would probably have the students do something on with Flipgrid or with maybe Screencast-O-Matic or Screencastify or something else to have them work with a partner to recreate a different scenario in which maybe they have a different pizza order coming and they got to solve a problem. So besides that, though, I think it's a good lesson. Like I said, it refers to the standards, and then it has some assessment built in, but I think the assessment isn't really. And I guess it does capture some of the assessment we're looking for, but I just feel like there needs to be more, and it needs to be something that demonstrates a little bit more understanding and more authentic understanding and mastery of what you're trying to teach here. So I would just extend it some more. Okay, those are my thoughts on this one. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.